Hi, this is Claude Asbury, owner and operator of Brevard Pressure and Roof Cleaning. This video shows examples of a few wood docks, decks, and fences we have pressure cleaned. Here's a fence in the sanctuary, Indialantic, Florida. This 900-foot dock at Riverwalk Park in Rockledge. It was a chore, but turned out great. A Merritt Island dock. And this outdoor karate dojo in Rockledge had been worn by the weather. And the end results. This fence in Satellite Beach looks refreshed after pressure cleaning. And this Cocoa Beach dock sees its youth again. We have free estimates. Call or email. Thanks, Brevard.